Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Haberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 8th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX closed up 1.19. That's 4.89%. Closed at 25.54. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a green candle here, and look at this perfection here. The body of the candle is just right smack on this big support that we have here. So it seems we are back above the support, and we even broke this downward resistance that we had been following for since October 12th. So does this mean that VIX is going to start to go up and the stock market is going to tank? We cannot conclude that yet because this green candle is only one candle, and one candle does not make a trend. But maybe it's the start of the trend. We don't know yet. So we are going to have to see if we break 25.74. That is going to be one clue. Another clue is stochastic over 60. So it's going to be interesting to see what is going to happen for the current week and also next week, to see if we don't start to have a little bit of a move up for a VIX, which would mean a move down for the stock indices. Let's look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is continuing his move up. Look at this. We even broke outside our resistance right here on top. And we even broke outside. So that's quite interesting to see. We can use a little bit of focus. We had the close outside once and then things came down. So maybe this is what is going to happen. This is only one close outside, but this is interesting nonetheless. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 by the XPX. We have been bouncing off of support right here for the past few days. And now we are stabilizing a little bit, touching perfectly this downward resistance. So if we break this, then we should be going further. Let's look at the Nasdaq Composite. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. So Nasdaq is a lot weaker than S&P or Dow Jones. We'll see if we can break this hypothetical downward resistance. We need 2 points to have a trend line. So I did this one with only one line. So I am going out on a limb. Let's see for the end of the week if we can break this or not. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.